Hello, we're going to make a video, and this video will demonstrate installing Putty software. Putty provides secure shell software, which will enable one to connect to a Linux workstation or server. Okay, first thing we need to do is open a web browser. And then I'm going to type Putty, download, and hit enter. Okay, now Putty, this www.cherk.greenend.org.uk, they're the folks that I would go to get Putty. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And so what we want is the Windows installer. So we're going to go here with the 64-bit x86 MSI Microsoft installer, and you can see it downloaded here. It's only 3.5 megabytes. So I'll go ahead here and click open file. Okay, it's an executable file. That's fine. Preparing to install, and then it installation wizard. So we'll click next. I'm just going to take the defaults under program files, Putty. Excuse me. I'm just going to take the defaults here. And yes, I want to allow the installer to install this on my computer, and it's all finished. And we'll click finish here. And here's the license. Pops up in Notepad. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. And then I'm going to close the browser. And to start Putty, I did have the option to put an icon on my desktop, which I didn't choose when I ran through the installation. But I'm going to come down here to my start flag, and I'll hit that. I'll come up to all apps, and I'll hit that. Now I'm going to scroll down until I get to the P's on the start menu. There we go. And if I click on the folder here for the Putty, I'm going to have to scroll down. So this would be Putty right here. I can drag and drop it if I do want an icon. And then if I click on this, I expect it to open. There it is. So that's Putty. And there will be further videos showing you how to connect to various platforms within the ECE department here at Lehigh. Okay, thanks for listening, and I hope this was helpful.